Hello guys, we are back from another video, and today we are doing a feedback review of the Hoover H Wash and Dry 500.
So this is a washer dry we bought in October last year, in early May, and two things have already gone wrong. Firstly, what happened?
It popped off.
This dial popped off, so I had to fix it, take it apart, fix it back on, because a little bit of connected was just going in every time I tried to push it on. So that was a mess. Secondly, we got code E11. So what's the problem?
We can't dry the clothes anymore, so we have to hang them.
So we washed them, but we can't dry them. So what's happened is kind of some kind of temperature sensor for the dryer. It's not drying. Because it's not drying now, I've had the clothes back up again like we used to. We're using our dehumidifier in the other room because everything's going to be damp again. So not impressed at all. It may be, I'm not sure if it's the fault issue with this particular thing. Reliability is possibly an issue. I'd look into it before you buy this. We've never had this issue before. We've never had a washer dryer, but we didn't expect this to be such a problem.
When are we going to keep the hanger?
We got rid of the hanger, didn't we, the clothes? So I was thinking maybe naively it's all going to be fine, but no, we're expecting it to be right. So phoned them up, and Saturday, I phoned them Saturday 2 days ago, they're going to come and sort it this Friday coming. So until then, we normally wash quite a lot. We're going to hang our clothes up, so not impressed, to be quite honest. I would seriously look into it before you consider buying this washer dryer. Maybe it's just a problem of ours. Maybe it's fault along the whole thing with these kind of, maybe we shouldn't have bought a Hoover, but it was cheaper, and we, I think it's £450 or £499.
That's cheap.
Well, compared to some of them, Bosch would be mega expensive, but it'd be really mega reliable, I'd guess. So, yeah, to be honest, I would seriously look into it. So this is feedback viewing it. Other than that, it's been fine. They're going to repair because under guarantee for a year. They said, have you got extended warranty? I don't think, well, maybe we should consider getting no, but the other thing is here, it's meant to wash the fluff down the drain here in this seal. It collects, not anymore at the moment, there is some there, it's hard to show, but there's loads of fluff that collects in here, and I'm having to constantly wipe it out because I'm worried it's going to plug up the drain. So it's like, yeah. It's like that, but loads of it is meant to wash out and go through this tiny little hole here, and go through the drainage system and.
How is it meant to go through that tiny thing?
Well, I'm having to wipe it out constantly, so it's not that good. Yeah. I don't think the system's very good. So we'll just have to see. Yeah. Anyway, so just look into it before you consider buying it, and we'll end it there. Yeah. So, yeah. Your mum interfered in our video again. Go on. Yeah.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with a extra video.
Maybe again a bit of this, yeah. Alright then. Bye bye.